What's up guys, welcome to Chigz Tech Reviews. I'm Chigz and this is also Chigz, the alternative Chigz that you rarely get to see, you never get to see actually. The switchy version of myself, let's just call him the AI version of myself that also likes telling the truth but in a not so friendly manner. So today we bring you our pros and cons video for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra after 1 month of usage. Over to you. Hey, what's up? I'm also Chigz, and I'll be covering all the things that I didn't like about this phone. You can expect no BS, no sponsorship ass-kissing comments from me. You will get nothing but the truth, just like him, but in top G fashion. But I'm just gonna have to keep it real. Okay, so I think you guys know what you're gonna get from this video. It's a touch of creativity with an element of wildness, so take it as an act, don't take it too seriously. I'm just gonna have fun with this one, and you guys let me know in the comments what you think. Okay, so I'm gonna begin with my pros. The first pro that has to be mentioned, of course, is the design. Now, aesthetically, this phone is absolutely gorgeous. You've got a titanium frame going all the way around with Gorilla Glass armor on the back and on the front. And this is the toughest version of Gorilla Glass we have ever seen. Now, the second major highlight of this phone is the display. So this has to be the best smartphone display we have seen so far. You have a 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display that's 120 Hz refresh with a screen resolution of 3200 by 1440. And as I just mentioned, you have the toughest version of Gorilla Glass that we have ever seen. And this year we have a flat display, completely flat display. The screen is not curving around the edges. And I have to say, I do like it a lot, especially when using the S Pen. It's a bit more comfortable. Now, this is actually titanium grade 2. If you saw Jerry Riggs Everything's teardown video, you would have seen him burn the S24 Ultra in a furnace, 2000 degrees Celsius, crazy video. It's nerve-wracking to watch, but at the same time, fun. So yeah, grade 2 titanium. In comparison, the iPhone 15 Pro Max has grade 5 titanium. So higher the grade, purer the titanium. So overall, very nice build quality. I've opted for the titanium gray color, and I love how this phone feels. It's an absolute beauty to work with. Now, the screen is also brighter than ever, and the anti-reflective coating is absolutely game-changing. It means the screen is visible in all scenarios outdoors, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. S23 Ultra, S24 Ultra, if I hold them up against the light, you can see the difference. Look at that. The same reflection on both screens. I can put it in front, it doesn't matter. So game-changing screen, guys. I want every phone manufacturer to give us anti-reflective display. I don't know if that's going to happen, but this phone has absolutely nailed it. So I can't praise that display enough. It's gorgeous. Now, next pro is the cameras. You have an impressive quad camera setup. The 200 megapixel primary sensor is insane. The zooming capability of the Ultra series has always been amazing. Superb clarity and absolute incredible zoom clarity, especially when taking photos at 100x. You can do 8K at 30 frames per second with optical image stabilization. So super smooth video, great looking photos. The cameras are an absolute treat. So if you like taking pictures and videos, this camera is going to serve you well. Now, the next pro for this phone is the performance. This is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 1.8 million, guys. Very powerful phone. There's nothing you can't do. Everything you do, no matter what task it is, it's lag-free. Multitasking is a treat. Pull out the S Pen at the bottom and go ahead and do what you want. Multitasking is amazing on this phone. Split screen works really well. This is the latest and greatest Snapdragon chipset inside this phone. So the phone is an absolute multitasking monster. Super smooth, great responsiveness, no lag no matter what you're doing. And another pro that consistently blows my mind when it comes to the Ultra series is the battery life. 5000 milliamp hour battery, and it gave me over 8 hours of screen on time. So, and that was heavy usage, guys. I was recording 4K video, I was recording 8K video a lot. I think there was over 2 hours of video recording during my test. Everything I was doing, I think I was trying my best to deplete the battery, and I still got 8 hours of screen on time. So with normal usage, This will last you 2 days. Normal usage, going to work, coming back home. This will probably last you 2 days. You won't need the charger for 2 days. It's that good. And it does support fast charging and wireless charging. But unfortunately, you don't have a charger in the box. So that's a con. So AI features are quite impressive. You have to try it to believe it. The generative editing of photos, a bit like what Pixel's done in the past, but I think Samsung do it better. You can remove an object completely from the picture and it will fill in the gap and it will look clean. It's a really, really good edit. It's almost like Photoshop without any effort. So yeah, I love that feature. And circle to search is also a pretty decent feature. So those are two of my favorite AI features that I was using quite a bit with this phone. And to finish off my pros, let's not forget the S Pen. It's amazing how I found myself wanting to use the S Pen more and more. Even though I always regarded maybe the S Pen is a bit gimmicky, but no, it's very satisfying to use. There are actually a lot of things you can do with the S Pen, and the more you use it, the more things you will learn. Very nice, satisfying to write on the screen. So that was my main pros, stuff that I really enjoyed about this phone, things that really stood out to me, and the things that I used the most as well, feature-wise. So yeah, those are my pros. All right, over to you, AI Chigz. What's up, guys? I had to get away from this dude. It's all yours. He's so fucking boring, but he's right most of the time. Now let me show you the cons and show you how it's done the right way. So my cons, the reasons not to buy this, what I dislike about this phone. The first one, it's expensive, hefty price tag. Yes, you're getting premiumness, top tier flagship features, but it's not affordable for everyone. Not everyone can whip out £1,300 for a phone. Do they pay the fucking rent? Do they pay their mortgage? Do they buy food? Or do they buy this phone and starve for a month and become homeless with an S24 Ultra in their hands? Is that what you want? So too expensive, number one. Number one con is too expensive. Maybe make an S24 Ultra budget version. Maybe make the phone cheaper for the people that made you, the people that support you. Samsung S24 Ultra, make it cheaper. Okay, second con, it's quite large. It's quite large and heavy form factor. It's almost like having a small tablet in your hands. So not comfortable for one-handed use unless you have fucking massive hands like BFG. Can I just interrupt? I have a con that I really want to mention, and I'm worried that you might not mention it. Wait. Did I interrupt you? How dare you interrupt me when I'm doing my cons? You don't interrupt the top G when he's talking. Top G, yeah, you wish. Disrespect. Okay. Go on then. Go on. Now, rather than a con, it's more of a missed opportunity. I don't know why Samsung didn't give us the ability to take spatial photos and spatial videos with this phone. We've seen that the iPhone 15 does. We've seen that the new iPhone 15 Pro series does let you take spatial photos and videos. And I was really expecting the S24 Ultra to give us that feature. But unfortunately, at this current point in time, that feature is not available. So you can't take spatial photos or videos. Now, if you did not rudely interrupt me, I was going to say that anyway. These reviewers, they think they know it all. They think they're the best. Come on. Now, all the reviewers that got paid, that received this phone for free, they all done one thing exactly the same. They bigged up the AI like it's better than their own life. They all kissed Samsung's ass. Just state the con. Don't talk about others. It's not right. We don't do that on this channel. Just the problem with you is you can't keep it real. You can't keep it real. This is fact. Just state the con. Don't talk about others. Don't be disrespectful. Okay. This is not what we do on this channel. All right. So, sorry guys. The AI feature which sucked for me, I didn't like it, was the AI call translation. It was not impressive as everybody was making it out to be. It never worked properly for me. Mine is stuck on German. I've downloaded language packs, multiple language packs. I downloaded Hindi. I downloaded French. I don't know. I downloaded so many. I even downloaded Chinese. But when a call comes through, I never had the option to change the language. It just stays stuck on German. German is the only option. So it didn't work for me. I was really excited to test live translation, but it wasn't happening. Yeah, actually, I'm going to interrupt you. I actually did notice this as well. I tried to download additional language packs, but it doesn't let you switch the language when you actually are making the call. It's stuck on German. If any of you respected reviewers or even any of you users, if any of you have bought this phone and you're experiencing some issue with the live translation, do let me know in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Again, I don't know this guy. is one crazy AI situation I've got here. So apologies, not trying to offend anyone. He's getting whooped after this one. Don't worry about that. In your dreams, you're going to whoop me. I'll throw you across the room. You won't get up for 3 days. Take you 3 days to stand up again. Mess with me. Man. I might be AI, but it doesn't mean I can't punch you in the face. Disrespectful motherfucker. Yeah. I don't care if it's your channel. Now the last con to mention, the ultra-wide camera did not impress me. When you upgrade all the components and hardware of a phone, you expect the cameras to be completely upgraded. The ultra-wide is the same as last year. The ultra-wide seems the same as last year. Low light shots in ultra-wide suck. Grainy, disgusting, horrible looking shots. The daytime ultra-wide shots are usable, but nighttime look bad. Very bad. So Samsung, ultra-wide camera better be upgraded next year, or else I'm gonna throw me across the room. You enjoy that carpet for a few hours, mate. So there you have it, guys. That was my quick roundup of the pros and cons for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. I hope you found this video useful. It's a great phone overall. I've had a superb time with it. It's going to remain my daily driver for the rest of the year, unless something better comes. Same thing happened with the S23 Ultra. It absolutely stayed my daily driver throughout the year. A few reviewers are calling this phone of the year already so far. I think I agree with them. S24 Ultra is the best smartphone you can get right now. I think it's going to be a good year for smartphones. A lot of great phones are coming our way. This one's currently ahead because it's absolutely jam-packed with premiumness. Best of everything, kitchen sink, amazing phone. If you did purchase this early on a pre-order, you would have got a free Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, which I did. And this is the smaller version. But guys, I actually like the smaller version better than the bigger version, which I bought myself. So this free watch that I got with this phone, because I've done the early pre-order myself, is amazing. And if you do want to see a full review of this watch, do let me know in the comments and I'll get it done for you guys. I hope you found the video useful. Let me know your thoughts. It was a bit crazy. I've done something different. If you enjoyed the video, let me know in the comments. If you want to see crazy AI Chigz again, to let me know in the comments and we'll bring him back. I think I might have to take him to the hospital first. So throw me across the room. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.